we are going to have to hit a point, or we may hit a proverbial wall. And I don't know, nobody knows what that looks like, right? But there has to be, quit playing with this political football. And can we have a real hard conversation about, we are in a deficit. Instead of worrying about re-election, can we learn about the concern of the country and say, hey, everyone's going to have to suffer? Because it may be that with the deficits we're running, we may have to stop eating out, stop using Netflix. We may have to do all of it. And we don't seem to have the political fortitude to want to have that conversation. We want to have the I want to get reelected conversation. That bugs me more than anything.